Hi, it's great to see you. I'm so excited because you have received your Genetics Institute of America GIAnomics Genetic Test Kit your doctor ordered. Your kit contains some important information. A welcome card, written instructions, paperwork for your review and signature, a swab, and a return envelope. First, sign the paperwork that was in the box. Follow the highlighted areas and the red flags. They'll tell you where to sign. Now I'm going to show you how easy and safe it is to collect your sample and send it here to our expert team at Genetics Institute. Wait, before you swab, make sure that you don't eat, drink, smoke, or chew gum for at least 30 minutes. Open the buccal swab package and carefully remove the collector without touching the sponge tip. Using our sponge tip, we're going to insert it in our mouth and rub along our lower gums about 10 times. Now let's do the other side. Hold the tube upright so that it doesn't spill. Unscrew the blue cap from the collection tube without touching the sponge tip. Turn the cap upside down. Insert it into the tube and screw on the cap tightly. Invert the cap tube 10 times. You're finished collecting your sample. Good work. Let's send it off to GIA. Let's get your sample ready first. Put your name, date of birth, and collection date on the green label. Once you've done that, take your sample and place the sticker on the outside. Get your transport bag. Put your sample in the transport bag and seal it up. Fold your signed paperwork and place it in the side pocket in the transport bag. Using the return envelope we gave you, place the entire transport bag in the return envelope and seal it up. This is ready to go in your mailbox. You're finished. Great work. We're going to pack it up now and send it off to GIA. Thank you for placing your trust and confidence in Genetics Institute of America for your genetic testing. Stay happy, stay healthy, and may God bless you in every way.